let me explain you here very briefly the observations regarding photoelectric effect before it could be explained completely by Einstein, and the experiment was performed by Lenard and Millikan. The earlier observations were, the first observation was by Hertz. This is the apparatus that he used for production of electromagnetic waves. These two metal plates, these are again the metallic balls, and then an induction coil connected to an AC source. What did he observe? When these plates are shined by ultraviolet radiations, the spark that he was receiving here. See, this device was made to produce electromagnetic waves. When high voltage is applied here, air gets ionized, we have electrons and positive ions which move back and forth, and this produces electromagnetic waves, and here we get a spark indicating that EM waves has been received at this point. Now the spark that changes in quality when ultraviolet radiations fall on this. That spark is increased actually. So the reason is, it means charge has increased. Now what is happening? These ultraviolet radiations falling on it, it produces electrons that we know today, not known at that time, but this was that some charge is produced by shining it, and that, so charge here will be increased, so that electromagnetic waves, the magnitude of those waves will no longer be same. So there will be some changes in the spark that is received here. Another observation was again by Lenard and Horwich. This was zinc plate shined by UV radiation, and this was connected to the electroscope. Initially, when zinc plate was kept neutral, and when we shine it with UV radiation, it acquires positive charge. When it is kept positive, it becomes more positive. And if it is kept negative, then it becomes neutral. No need to learn this thing, because today we know what is happening. When it is shined by UV radiations, electrons are emitted. So electrons, when electrons are emitted by this plate, so zinc will acquire positive. So if it is neutral, it will become positive. If it is positive, it will gain more positive because of the emission of electrons. And if it was negative, now it will gain positive. So it may become neutral if they are same in magnitude. And then another observation was again by Lenard. It was actual photoelectric effect conducted, experiments conducted by him. Quartz glass, two electrodes, positive plate connected to this and negative of this connected to this. When this is shined by UV radiations, one plate of it, we get current here. This is what we call as photoelectric effect. Electrons are emitted, those electrons are received by this plate, and electrons start moving. In detail of this experiment, photoelectric experiment and the features of this effect, that will be taken specifically in the topic for photoelectric effect. But briefly I can tell you, this emission of electrons from this surface, this is called photoelectric effect. The amount of current that is flowing in the circuit, that will depend on the intensity of these radiations, and the energy of the photoelectrons, that will depend only on the frequency. So these were the observations. Energy of the photoelectrons produced, that will depend on the frequency of incident radiation, and the amount of current produced, that will depend on the intensity of incident radiation. Energy on frequency, current on intensity. So these three experiment basically for earlier experiment for photoelectric effect, and then a detailed experiment was performed by Lenard and Millikan. Thank you. That's all in this topic.